Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Contribution Calculator and how it helps you estimate how much to invest every month to reach your target dividend income. First, this calculator starts by asking for a few simple inputs. You usually enter your target monthly dividend income, your average dividend yield, your expected dividend growth rate, your time horizon in years, your reinvestment rate if applicable, and sometimes your current portfolio value. These inputs help the calculator estimate the monthly contribution needed to build your dividend portfolio over time. Next, the calculator converts your income goal into a required portfolio size. In simple terms, your monthly dividend goal is first turned into an annual dividend goal by multiplying it by 12. Then, that annual dividend goal is divided by the expected dividend yield. As a result, you can estimate how large your portfolio needs to become in order to generate the dividend income you want. For example, if your target monthly dividend income is $1,000, then your annual dividend goal becomes $12,000. If your expected dividend yield is 4%, then the required portfolio would be about $300,000. This gives you a clear target to work toward. After that, the calculator estimates the monthly contribution needed. In other words, it works backward from your target portfolio and your chosen timeline. It considers how much you already have invested, how much time you have, and whether dividend growth and reinvestment will help the portfolio grow faster. Then, it estimates how much money you need to add every month to reach that required portfolio value. Moreover, the calculator also shows the basic process visually. You begin with your current portfolio, then add monthly contributions, then allow dividend growth and reinvestment to support compounding, and finally move toward your target portfolio. This step-by-step flow helps investors understand that building dividend income is not only about yield, but also about consistency and time. In addition, it is important to understand the key drivers behind the result. A higher dividend yield generally reduces the portfolio size required to meet the same income goal. On the other hand, more time usually lowers the monthly contribution burden, because the portfolio has longer to grow. Likewise, reinvestment can boost compounding, while dividend growth can improve future income potential. Then, if we look at an example projection, suppose the target monthly dividend income is $1,000, the dividend yield is 4%, the dividend growth rate is 5%, the time horizon is 15 years, and the current portfolio is $20,000. In that case, the estimated required portfolio may still be around $300,000, while the estimated monthly contribution needed may be about $860. The estimated annual dividend at the goal would be around $12,000. Furthermore, the calculator helps you see several useful outputs. It shows your income goal, which is the monthly cash flow you want to receive. It also shows your target portfolio, which tells you how large your investment base needs to become. At the same time, it shows your estimated monthly contribution, so you know how much to invest regularly. Finally, it helps you understand long-term growth by showing how time, yield, and reinvestment can work together. Meanwhile, there are a few practical tips to remember. Starting early can reduce your monthly contribution needs because time allows compounding to do more of the work. Similarly, reinvesting dividends can accelerate growth over time. It is also wise to focus on sustainable dividend stocks or dividend ETFs instead of chasing unrealistic yields. In the same way, reviewing your yield and growth assumptions regularly can help keep your plan realistic and updated. Overall, a dividend contribution calculator is a useful planning tool because it turns a dividend income goal into a practical monthly investing target. Therefore, it can help investors plan contributions, understand compounding, and stay focused on long-term income building. However, the estimates are simplified, and actual investment returns, dividend yields, and income may vary. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.